Here we are in the competence center of Atlanta with the new DM340 platform. As you can see here, we have our unwinder unit for the unwinding of the web. We got inline cleaner, Corona web treater, and a web guide. Also input for tension control. Switching over, we have the first module of the machine, which is the good thing about this machine, which is settable up on customer request. So here we have one flex station with optimized registration and also optimized preset pressure. Moving forward, we have the digital unit, which is the same base as the LB72. So we got 2 clusters for the DM340, 2 clusters per color. We actually have 7 color, white plus orange violet, CM, YK. We also have, after this one, another flexor unit that we will use mainly for varnish. Same setup as the first unit. Moving on, we have another outfit, which is for tension control, to always have the proper tension inside the machine in order to not have any kind of problems when removing the matrix from the die cut. And here we have also our semi-rotary die cutting station. And it's semi-automatic, meaning that it automatically changes the die plates by itself, but it's got also an IRC system for semi-automatic register control. Here we have the EcoCheck, which is the main, let's say, advantage of the new DM340 platform, which is the one in charge for the calibration of the machine. So it's either checking for the angle and stitch of the machine, the color-to-color offset, the missing jets, and also it can be working as like a 100% inspection for the machine. And lastly, but not least, we have the quick cut, which is the automatic web stripping system for removing the matrix from the die cut. To run the machine is very easy. We got our print queue over here. You can just select a job we want to print. We press play, and the machine is starting. So you will shortly see the image printed from the digital station up to the second flexor downstream, and then inside the semi-rotary system. So I will go on the local panel of the semi-rotary section, and I will just slow down the machine. We'll ask the system to make initialization of it. And in the meantime, we can show you over the die cut station the automatic strip removing, so the cut on. There's a vacuum going on. I guess you can hear it. There it is. And now we remove the matrix. We are now engaging the semi-rotary die cut, and we speed up to production speed. And this is in less than 30 meters, 35 meters. You can see over there the matrix removing and the labels that comes out of the machine. Can show you on our BST system. Yep. We go to the maximum digital speed, which is 100 meters per minute, which should be like 330 foot per minute. As we were already talking about, the main advantage of the Graphotronic system is that it's got automatic die plate change. So we got our second job ready in the queue. We ask for a job change in the digital page. Then we slow down to 10 meters per minute. I've already loaded the new plate for the second job. And as far as the second job comes under the ARC photo cell for the Graphotronic, we can ask for a quick reload die, which is the automatic operation of pulling away the old die plate and loading the new one in. So quick reload, system will automatically go out of cutting pressure, will automatically remove the first plate. I will just have to remove it from the tray. And we'll also load automatically the second one, making the pre-registration over the second job. Then it's loading and synchronizing itself against the mark of the new job. And so then I can ask for the die cut enable. And as soon as the system will go again back in pressure, in cutting pressure, I will be able to speed up again to production speed, which is 85 meters per minute. There we are. And the job change is done in less than 20-25 meters. And here you can see the finished product.